Welcome to Old World Numismatics, the channel where history meets currency. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of ancient coins, uncovering the rich stories behind these timeless artifacts. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey into numismatics, we'll explore the origins, significance, and hidden gems of some of the world's most valuable and rare coins. From the emperors of Rome to the kingdoms of the East, each coin we showcase has its own tale to tell. So, let's unlock the secrets of the past, one coin at a time. Today, we'll be looking at a modern yet special coin, the 1992 Elizabeth II 10 pence, sterling silver piedfort. Though not as ancient as many coins we've discussed, this coin has its own unique significance in numismatic history. Its design, material, and the fact that it's a piedfort version make it a must-have for collectors of British coinage. The 10 pence coin, part of the decimal currency system introduced in the United Kingdom in 1971, replaced the 2-shilling coin. Initially, these coins were made of cupro-nickel but underwent significant changes over time. One of the most remarkable versions was struck in 1992 to commemorate Elizabeth II's reign and celebrate British coinage in a special way. The coin we are focusing on today, minted in 1992, is a sterling silver piedfort. Let's break down what makes this version stand out. A piedfort is a special type of coin that is twice as thick and heavy as its standard counterpart. The term originates from medieval France, where piedfort coins were struck for important officials and royalty. In modern times, piedfort coins are often issued as collector's pieces, known for their heavier weight and high-quality finish. The 1992 piedfort 10 pence weighs 22.7 grams, exactly twice the weight of the regular 10p coin, which weighs 11.3 grams. Its extra thickness gives it a substantial feel in the hand, offering collectors a unique experience compared to holding a standard coin. Unlike the regular 10p coins that were struck in cupro-nickel, the piedfort edition is struck in sterling silver, 92.5% silver. This metal composition adds a premium quality to the coin and reflects the tradition of commemorating important events or figures with silver coins. Silver coins have a long history in British currency, symbolizing both wealth and prestige. Owning a piedfort coin made of sterling silver brings a piece of that heritage into your collection. The coin was also issued as an FDC, fleur de coin, a French term that translates to flower of the coin. This designation refers to coins that are in the most pristine, uncirculated condition. FDC coins are struck with special care, using highly polished dies to produce an immaculate finish. The mirror-like surfaces and sharp details of the 1992 piedfort 10 pence make it a stunning piece to behold. The obverse features the fifth definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Macluf, a renowned sculptor. His depiction of the Queen is regal yet approachable, with the portrait showcasing her wearing the George IV state diadem, a crown traditionally worn by the monarch at the state opening of Parliament. This portrait is notable for its elegance, with every fine detail of the diadem and the Queen's facial features standing out, particularly on the silver piedfort coin. Surrounding the portrait is the text, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1992. This stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith, a title that highlights her role as both the sovereign of the United Kingdom and the supreme governor of the Church of England. The reverse design of the 10 pence coin showcases a majestic lion passant, a symbol with deep roots in English heraldry. The lion passant has appeared on British coins since the reign of Edward III in the 14th century and is a symbol of bravery, strength, and courage. It forms part of the Royal Coat of Arms, representing England. On the 1992 10 pence piedfort, this lion design is crisp and highly detailed, particularly given the enhanced thickness of the coin. The lion is shown in full stride, looking forward, a symbol of the United Kingdom's power and endurance through centuries. This coin was released as part of a series of piedfort coins to celebrate British currency and the monarchy. The 1992 edition is particularly significant because it marks the beginning of the transition for 10p coins from their larger, pre-1992 size to the smaller coins we use today. The larger-sized version of the 10 pence coin was only minted until 1992, making this piedfort version one of the final large 10p coins in British history. For collectors, the 1992 sterling silver piedfort 10 pence is a valuable piece not only for its silver content but also for its rarity and condition. As an FDC coin, it has never been circulated, meaning that each example has remained in mint condition since it was struck. Due to its limited mintage, the 1992 piedfort 10 pence is considered a rare coin. While regular 10 pence coins were produced in large quantities for everyday circulation, the piedfort editions were made in much smaller numbers, exclusively for collectors. As a result, these coins can fetch significant prices at auctions or from specialist dealers, particularly in high grades like FDC. In today's market, a 1992 10 pence sterling silver piedfort in very good condition can typically sell for £40 to £60. If the coin is in FDC, fleur de coin, condition and comes with its original packaging and certificate of authenticity, the value could go even higher, reaching £80 to £100 or more depending on demand and the rarity of that specific issue. In conclusion, the 1992 sterling silver piedfort 10 pence is more than just a coin, it's a celebration of Britain's rich numismatic history and the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Its design, composition, and rarity make it an essential piece for serious collectors of British coins. The sterling silver and piedfort thickness add a luxurious feel, while its historical significance marks a milestone in the evolution of British currency. If you found this deep dive into the 1992 10 pence piedfort fascinating, be sure to subscribe to Old World Numismatics for more content on rare and valuable coins from around the world. Every coin has a story, and we are here to uncover them for you, one coin at a time. Until next time, happy collecting!